Oh my gosh, it's adorable. So we are at the pool, and Mama Kildy had some babies a couple of days ago, and we found this little baby. Oh my goodness! In the pool, look how sweet! Yeah, just very gently. Oh, is it swimming to you? Be careful, Peyton. Try to scoop him up real gentle. Oh my gosh. Go find your mama. No! Don't let it go under the fountain.
Where's Mama?
Shoot, you hear her? Just follow the screech. Don't let it drop. She's over here. Where is she? I hear her. Oh.
If you'd like to follow us on our journey, please subscribe.